Konnichiwa minasan, genki desu ka? Watashi wa Rajveer desu, an Indian content creator who speaks little Japanese. Normally when people say let's hang out underwater, they mean Goa after 2 drinks. But I'll take you to another world. Yes, actually another world below the water. Just imagine the fun clicking pictures with the bike or playing basketball underwater, or maybe a game of chess for those who are a little smarter. Now that's what I call an aquatic checkmate. This place is just 3 hours away from Mumbai. Like everyone says, Habibi, come to Dubai. Dubai is actually known for its skyline, but here I was surprised to see this underwater city. And the best part is, for those who can't swim, even they can enjoy this or dance without being judged. Technically, I was underwater, but definitely on top of the world. Like I always say, soaring high, watch me fly.
I don't know to swim, and I'm alive, and I had amazing, awesome time. So this one is for you, Ricardo.
Well done to you.